All right, we've got crude oil taking a rest today as it trades inside day, but below the 200 moving average. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So this correction busted through the 50% retracement yesterday to reach a low of 73.23, which matches its previous resistance. Support becomes resistance, resistance, support, and now support again. And since it's aligned with this internal uptrend line, we're going to pay a little bit more attention to that level. So the key level now is 73.22, 73.23, somewhere right around there. There's a good chance that that low holds and leads to a bounce and continuation of this developing trend right here. But it's contained within a much larger structure, and therefore it could get a bit choppy. This was a breakout of the top line, but of course it has so far has failed and gone all the way through the bottom line of this large symmetrical triangle pattern. So we might want at some point realign this symmetrical triangle pattern. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. In other words, distinguish this component down here separate from the symmetrical triangle. We could also now redraw the triangle, include that as part of the triangle, which I'll take a look at, but I just don't want to do that yet. We want to see how things evolve. So on the downside, a break below yesterday's low will likely see a drop down to the 61.8% retracement of 72.32, and the 50 moving average is another potential support level at 72.16. On the upside, a breakout above today's high of 73.14 has to also consider the 200 moving averages, which is at 75.20, that blue line right there. So really a breakout above 75.20 above the 200 moving average is going to trigger potential bullish reversal potential, and then further confirm strength on a rise above yesterday's high of 76.03. We'll look at other levels going forward in the week. Right now, we got to see if we get a bullish reversal first. But I would say that this momentum we had here, this momentum downside, it would not be surprising to see momentum start to diminish quite a bit. And today may be the first day of that happening, as it's an inside day. All right, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great week.